In this video, I'm going to teach you about personalization. So it's a really great feature that you can use on funnels or websites to add in data throughout your site in one place. So if we go to settings and then personalization, you'll see in this particular example right here, we've already got a couple of personalization tags set up in this section here. And sometimes if you've used one of our templates, then you'll already have a few here that are used throughout your website or funnel. So we've got phone number, and then you can see that we're able to copy these tags and then we can use them throughout our website. So the simple thing is if you want to change your phone number throughout your entire site, if you've used it in multiple places and positions on pages, rather than having to go to every page, find the number, then change the telephone number, if we're using this tag, we can change it here and it changes everywhere. So you'll see that the phone number tag is right there and it's also just down here. Well, if we go and preview that, you'll see there's the phone number and there's the phone number again. So now if we go to settings, we go to personalization, and let's just change that to 123 123 123. There we are. Click save, and now preview again. And anywhere that we use that tag, it now says that. So it's a quick, easy way to change any kind of data throughout your entire site or funnel in one easy place, just here. And you can add new ones. So let's say we want to add address. This is your address. Let's just put that there and save. And then we'll type in the address and we'll put a fictional address in there. There we are. And then save. And now anywhere that that tag is used, it will show the address that you've entered just there. So we've got it there already actually, but let's also just add it down here just to show how it can be used anywhere you would like. Click preview, and then there we are. We've got our address in just there and our address in just there. So you can imagine what a huge time saver this is if you just want to enter details like that throughout your whole site and you don't have to go and change it all again. Even things like opening hours could also be done. That's a really good one actually, is if you change your opening hours now and again, well, you can just do it that way. If you've got them in multiple places across your site, just go to settings, personalization, and then you're able to use it everywhere. Now, there's some other really good things that you can do too, and perhaps one of them is to use these system properties here. When somebody joins a membership that you may have, like an online course or a membership area, like a password protected area that somebody gets access to, you're able to welcome them by name. So if we just copy this here, and you see it says member.first_name, if we just copy that, once they're logged in to the page, the membership area, if we just do that, it will just show their name right here. And so it's a good way to welcome people back. So, you could put literally, welcome back, and then the person's name there like that, member first name, and every time they log in they're going to see that and their first name, which is a really nice, particularly for online courses. As I say, I'm not sure it will, if you are not logged in, which of course I am not logged into a membership area, in this preview here it will just say nothing. So you can't really go wrong. You can't have anything displayed bad if they're not logged in, but if they are logged in, then they'll see their name. And so that works really well. Then there's also something else you can do with personalization. You can, if you're using a form, let's just drag a form over to here. We're also able to, on the thank you page, use these. We're able to pass the information, whatever they put in here, we're able to pass that information to the next page. So we can immediately say thank you and then their first name. So if I go to just down here and we click on settings, you'll see that there is a way. Let me just go down to here. You can first of all put in the email that you would like to receive a notification to if somebody completes that, completes this form right here. And then you can change the button text, and then we can choose to go to a page or show a thank you message. Now, if we click go to a page, we can select this option, which says pass submitted values in the URL of the next page. So we'll pick a thank you page. Let's just pick one from here and let's call it contact page. Now, anything that was completed in this form that we've seen, we can pass the information across. And then on the thank you page, we can utilize these different headings. So that one is name. And so we can use that when we go to the next page. So how do we actually do that? Well, it's very, very simple. We go to the thank you page that we've chosen once they've completed this form. In our case, we use the contact us. And then wherever you want to put that field, which we're going to use their name, you just put this. You do one of these little parentheses, just like you did with the other ones. And then you put param, P-A-R-A-M, dot, and then the name of the field. And of course, the name that we wanted was this one, just literally name. And it could be the subject, the message, the email, whatever you would like out of that form. We click save. And then now, if we go to our home page and we preview it, and then I'm just going to fill this out real quick. There we go. Let's just put Jason, put my email, put in a subject line, and then the message. Click submit, and there we are. It just appears right there, nice and neat on this next page. So get in touch, Jason. So there's personalization options, that you can use throughout any of your funnels or websites, just to give it that extra touch and help with conversions and make the whole thing just a lot better experience for your users.